Hi.
Hello everyone and Happy New Year! OMG, this is my first post of 2019. That's crazy. I'm currently filming this in 2018. That's weird. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my second time filming this video. The first one was an absolute mess. Insert clips now. Oh, freak, sorry. Sorry. That's not what I meant. Yes! Can you stop making noise, please? I don't know what I'm doing. Freak. Huge growth of... Sorry. It's like... says that a lot. Why do I have a message? Just got a subscriber. Just got a subscriber. Thank you. I'm really bad at this whole filming thing. So yeah, now I'm gonna get myself together and start this all over again. So first off, I just want to say to my current audience that I am so sorry for making a tutorial. I know that I've been doing all this entertainment stuff, but I just really wanted to make this video to cash that YouTube coin. And for my new audience, hi, welcome. I am literally the best YouTuber in the whole solar system, and I make every kind of videos known to man. So, hi, nice to see you. So you've probably clicked on this video wanting to know why you should be starting a YouTube channel in 2019. And honestly, this is gonna be your year. I know it, I just know it, okay? Don't come at me. You might be thinking to yourself, is it too late to start a YouTube channel in 2019? And to that I say, absolutely not. We are at peak YouTube evolution right now. 2018 has been such a huge year for YouTube, and I know that it's just gonna get even bigger and better this year. I absolutely know it. If becoming a full-time YouTuber is your ultimate dream career goal or your 2019 New Year's resolution, I'm here to tell you why you should be starting a YouTube channel and to motivate you and inspire you. Yes, trying to make positive change on YouTube. Sorry, stop squeaking. First off, I want to share with you a motivational tip from me. You won't become a YouTuber unless if you try. Hard work is all it takes. Don't overthink it. The camera can be an intimidating thing. Over time, you start to become more comfortable and you learn from your mistakes. Each and every one of us has our own unique voice that's really worth sharing. And I encourage you to share that voice with the world right here and right now. Seriously, get on that YouTube grind right now, because this is the only way that you can live. That's it from my motivational tip from Corey. Back to you, Corey. So I want to share with you 6 reasons on why you should be starting your YouTube channel this year, right here, right now. Let's go. Reason number 1, personal growth. You can really transform and grow as a person through making videos. You can start to gain more confidence in yourself, improve public speaking, and gain valuable video and editing skills that you can use later down the track, even if it's not the exact career goal that you want to go down. Reason number 2, documentation. Creating a YouTube channel can be a great way of documenting your life and creating a legacy for your family. I just cannot wait for the day when I show my kids, if I ever have any, and grandchildren, my videos that I made from when they were their age, to show them what life was like now. And yeah, I just think it would be so crazy to be able to like share your experiences and to show your video work in like 20 years. Like, how crazy is that? It's just like so cool. Reason number 3, connecting with creatives. In 2018, we've seen such a huge growth in collaborators, from the Sister Squad to Shane Dawson and his documentary series to YouTubers just meeting up with people and creating videos in general. Back when I only had 600 subscribers, Alan Dixon, a famous animal selfie guru who basically created the whole quokka selfie craze, asked me to work for him on a video project called How to Take Selfies with a Quokka. And I didn't get that job, and I didn't get to connect with him unless it wasn't for my portfolio on my YouTube channel through the videos I was making and my passion for filmmaking. I'm also connected to a Perth YouTubers group that I can meet up with regularly and to ask for advice, ask for video suggestions, and just to have a good time with people that are like-minded. And I really think that's a beautiful part of YouTube, just to connect with other people and to, yeah, like, you know what I mean? Connecting with people.
So cold.
Reason number 4, earning money. Now, for the people that don't know the new monetization policy of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the past 12 months, it can be be a pretty daunting and off-putting thing knowing that you can't create money straight away. But honestly, if you put the hard work and commitment to the platform, you will eventually get there. Now, with my personal experience with monetization, I don't make a single cent from YouTube, which is very frustrating, but I know if you put your mind to it, you will get there eventually, and I feel like I will get there if I keep on making these videos, because that's really the only way, is through consistency and passion for filmmaking and whatnot, and entertaining, whatever your niche is. Remember that there's other ways of earning money through YouTube, like what I said before about working with Alan Dixon. I got paid to do that job, and if it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't have earned that money. Reason number 5. Making a difference. If you're passionate about an issue that's underrepresented in the media, or you want to spread awareness about an issue or idea, then the only best way to do it is through video and through YouTube. Do you ever just scroll through Facebook and just see a whole bunch of articles and rants from your friends where they're just like,
OMG, like, this is the worst thing ever.
Or I don't know, just a rant about something political or something important like mental health. And have you ever thought to yourself that the way that they are doing it isn't really as effective as if it could be with video? You can use your unique voice to spark conversation and create change. And it's so much more effective than through text. Reason number 6, creating a community. It's so awesome to think that it's now easier than ever to create a community, to share our ideas and bond over our experiences and to relate to one another. Growing a community can be extremely beneficial to reason number 5, sparking change and motivating people for change. Now that I've gone over the reasons of starting a YouTube channel, I want to share with you some important tips on how to start right now. Now you need to be creating 5 to 10 minute videos, possibly even 15 minutes, if you really want to hone in on YouTube's engagement algorithm. The longer the video, the more engagement it's getting, and the better it will rank in YouTube's search engine. Number 2, understand SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. I highly recommend that you download the Google Chrome extension TubeBuddy to understand how SEO works. You can use the Keyword Explorer to understand how certain words rank in the search engine and to see how much traffic they're getting. You need to absolutely be understanding how SEO works and to how to better rank your videos in the search engine. Number 3, create effective thumbnails. This might be through Photoshop or just using your iPad. I don't really know what you use. Whatever it is, create an effective thumbnail that will urge viewers to click on your video first. And this may be through facial expressions or interesting typography or the topic of the video itself. Just make sure that it's somewhat aesthetically pleasing that the viewer will want to click on that video more than another video per se. Number 4, your gear does not matter. People keep on saying this over and over again. Please don't stress about what camera you use. I hear from a lot of people, they're like,
oh, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't have a good enough camera.
What the frick is this? Use your freaking phone! Seriously, no one cares about what the camera you use or the depth of field or just the HD or whatever. I only have this camera because I bought it when I was thinking about like, oh my gosh, gear is so important, and I was doing all my travel stuff, but seriously, you don't need it. Just use your phone. I've been using my phone for my vlog stuff at the moment. Just seriously, don't care about the gear. Start using your phones right now. Number 5, be yourself. Just like I'm sitting here in this room all by myself, talking to the camera, just be yourself on camera because we all have a unique personality that's worth sharing. And if you put on a persona, like a really serious one that
talks like this,
or pretend to be other YouTubers like Emma Chamberlain being like, oh my gosh, I look so ugly right now. Just be yourself on camera. And that might be hard for some people because the camera is very intimidating, but you learn over time how to be yourself more. I'm still learning, as you may tell if you really look into my videos. At one point I'm like really serious, and then at other points I'm like, I don't care. And that's what a lot of the behind the scenes is. Okay, that's all from me today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I really hope all this information has helped you in some way and motivated you to start your YouTube channel. If I was watching this video, I would already be starting a YouTube channel. So get out there, stop watching this video. Seriously, get on that grind. Like, I don't need to repeat myself. Be sure to let me know what you think of this video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time. See ya! Bye!